Hello, Matt here. Have you ever driven an N13 powered BMW for more than an hour? If so, well, then you've certainly seen this fault pop out. So yeah, today we try and fix it. First up, we need to remove this air filter, and for that you only need a flat-headed screwdriver or a 7mm socket. Unplug the connector. Release the clamp. It's a 6mm socket. Remove the hood release cable and then just lift it up. Now that this is out of the way, well, this will be in the way too. Let's remove that. Of course, this one is 7. Go away. Also, go away. I think now we should have enough space, if you could call that space, to work on this thing we need to work on. Getting this off, well, you just need to unclip those 3 clips. And when I say just, it's a pain in the... Now what we are left with is a T30 down here, which we need to undo, unplug the connector, and then this should go out. Oh yeah, and unplugging the connector, well, in BMW's infinite wisdom, they decided to put the clip for the connector on the other side. When you undo the bolt, make sure to drop it in here.
Is it out?
And there it is, one VANOS actuator, valve, whatever you call that, is out. Now, ideally, we would put the new one in. We won't. See, when driving an N13 powered BMW, it's always a good idea to have a spare engine, like this one, lying around. So we will be using the actuator from this engine, now just to get it off. Here she is. Now we just put it all back together. And yeah, hopefully it works. And also, don't forget to reset your adaptations. Always reset your adaptations. And there, all done. As I said, now we reset the adaptation, test the car, and that's it. That's how you change exhaust camshaft VANOS actuator on N13 BMW. As I said, best thing to have with this car is a spare engine. In fact, have a spare car, because that way at least one will be running, because always something with these cars. Anyways, hope this was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. Means a lot. We have to fight the YouTube algorithm, and yeah, likes help. Also, why not subscribe to see other crap we tend to do around here. Well, as always, I really hope to see you in the next one. Bye.